The time to go on the Jungle Cruise is during the fireworks. They're going on right now, but the Jungle Cruise wait is down to 15 minutes. Elephants, tigers, roar! Welcome, welcome.
Santa knows what you did.
It was your idea.
It was not.
Yes, it was. How many do you have? How many?
And I have a present for you. Yeah, a boat. That being said, folks, who's ready for a fun cruise? Because, well, get in. Watch your head and step everyone. Use that hand.
All the way down to the
all the way in. You're going to sit right here next to my stinky shoe. Don't worry, it doesn't bite. It only has a talk. Yeah. Welcome aboard, everyone, and welcome to the world famous Jingle Cruise, where we've been good all year long, but I can't say the same about my jokes. You're going to sit right there on that magic square for me, okay?
Okay.
Do you know why we call it the magic square?
I'm scared.
You made it disappear. Congratulations. Yes, folks, like I said, we've been good all year long, but I can't say the same about my jokes. And, well, jokes on Santa, because the worse they are, the more coal I get, and this boat runs on coal. Yeah. Speaking of which, I hope you guys know what you're getting yourself into tonight. We call this a boat. Yeah, B-O-T-E boat. Anyways, guys, I'm going to ask you to remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch those children, because we are clear. Yes, folks, pick up your favorite hand. And wave goodbye to those nice neighbors on the dock. They've been good all year long. And so have I. Yeah, they're in the charm. I hope you guys like my explosive personality. Yeah. Anyways, folks, we're now going to be entering the Jingle Cruise. We call it the Jingle Cruise because we had a supply drop of Christmas supplies go missing out here. And, well, don't worry, the animals seem to love it, so we're going to keep it out here until about January. That being said, I'm your ho-ho host, I'm Skipper Brody, and, well, let's begin. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, where every night it is dark. Let's see if I can light up your world a little bit. There we go. If you look to your left and your right, you're going to see some of our rare Amazonian humbugs. Now, if we listen real close, we may be able to hear their call. Bah! Oh my goodness, did you hear that? Sounds like a bah humbug. Yeah. Now, if you look over here to your left, that is Inspiration Falls. Can everyone give me a nice big ooh? Give me an ah. Give me a Brody, you've been good this year.
Brody, you've been good this year.
Thanks. I hope Santa was listening. I really need that voter's license. Anyways, folks, we're going to continue on to the Congo River now of Central Africa, and, well, we'll see how far we can go, won't we? Yeah. Now, don't worry, I see a lot of you don't have jackets. It is perfectly okay, because I've heard there won't be snow in Africa this Christmas.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah. Now, if you look up ahead, I have a nice Christmas party set up for us with food, games. I invited all the pygmies. It's going to be pretty great. You're going to lose your head when you see it, I promise. It is going to be awkward. Oh, awkward. Oh. Well, I can't see anyone. Canoe? Yeah. It's really sad because, well, I told the pygmies I wanted a dead tree for Christmas, but, well, I guess I'm not getting that dead tree anymore. Oh my goodness! They got me a dead tree! Can you believe it? They didn't even wrap it up, though. I'll just put a bow on top and call it a day. Oh. You know what? It's okay. I'll get it wrapped up over here at our Jingle Cruise wrapping station. Yeah. Now, I know you're thinking they don't look like they do a good job. They look like all the newest monkey around. But, well, if you look at all those presents in my Jeep, you can't really argue with that turnover rate, can you? Yeah. Now, if you look back there, you may see a wreath made of shotgun shells. I highly suggest you all get one. They are a blast. Yeah. Now, folks, we are going to continue on the Nile River now. It stretches for over 4,000 miles. And, well, if you ask me, that means it goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, you must be in the Nile. That's right. Now, that is the second most feared animal in the jungle. That is the first. Yeah, you know what's scarier? Look at the size of that trunk. It means she's staying for a while. Yeah. Over here is our Jingle Bell Rock. It's one of our bolder attractions, but a lot of people take it for granted. Personally, I think it rocks, but it makes some people feel jaded, so we won't gravel in that sediment for much longer. But if you want, you can marvel at it all you want. Long-necked reindeer. We got some skinny reindeer, some striped reindeer. We got some winged reindeer. Oh, look at that! Yeah. And they're having the striped reindeer over for dinner. Isn't that sweet? It's a good time to bring up our sponsor, though, Striped Reindeer Turkey. Beat every other white meat. Yeah. Now up ahead we have our wonderful Jingle Cruise band. Yeah. We sent them out this morning though to look for a new drum, but well, in my opinion, it looks like all they found was a horn. Yeah. You know, it's probably because they tried to do the rhino fruitcake. Yeah. I told them rhinos hate fruitcake, but what a rhino, right? Anyways, folks, as we go around this corner, I have something truly magnificent to show you. You're gonna love it, I promise. Get ready. If you look outside the left side of your boat, deep into those woods, you're going to see something that I call a distraction. It's beautiful, isn't it? Anyways, folks, up ahead we have our beautiful Glacier Mountain, where it's been a warm winter. Oh, it melted. That means that everyone's helped to make this turn. If you all could, lean for me, everyone. Lean. I said lean. Okay, I think we're going to make it. So, whew, that was close. Honestly, I thought we were going to deck the falls with Guess I'm Calling. Yeah. Now, up ahead, who says you can't catch a plane for the holidays? Here at the Jungle Cruise, we caught a plane and we even got it half off. Can you believe it? Unfortunately, though, it did get grounded, so I don't know how we'll travel this year. We'll have to wing it. Yeah. Anyways, we're going to continue down the Nile River now, where you guys hear that. Oh my goodness. Hippos. Who asked for hungry hippos for Christmas? You're lucky you have a skipper who knows what he's doing. Shoo! 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 Don't worry, those hippos have been shooed. Now, we aren't out of the woods yet. Just look at all the trees. Yes, folks, we're going into headhunter territory now. This is a terrible place to be headed. Unless you want to see some of your favorite Christmas characters. Like, well, we got Dancer and Prancer up there. And, oh, look at that, it's the little drummer boys. And, oh, that's awkward. Well, there's always that one person in a group project, right? Yeah. Anyways, folks, up ahead. Oh, wait, oh no. You guys hear that? Everyone get down! Those are the native carolers. How do we get rid of carolers? Oh! Throw them the piggy pudding! They won't go until they get some! They won't go until they get some. Oh, we made it! It's all good, everyone. Get back in those seats, because it is the 8th wonder of the world. It's the one. It's the only. It's the backside of water! Yeah, I'm sorry. We were shooting for the backside of eggnog, but we couldn't make it happen. We didn't have a gingerbread cookie big enough. I'm sorry, that joke was crummy. Yeah, it's okay. I'll tell it more gingerly next time. Yeah. Anyways, folks, we're going to continue down the Mekong River now, where... Wait, look at that. Look at all those presents. That can only mean one thing. This must be Santa's workshop. That's right. So we're going to continue... Oh, I should have looked at the engine before I said that. Oh, this is awkward. I don't have room to turn around. Yeah. That being said, we have to go forward, so you better watch out. You better not. Sandy Claus is coming to town. Anyways, folks, let's see what we found. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's an ancient Indian elephant bathing pool and they're having a Christmas party. Yeah, but, well, it looks like quite a wash. Yeah, if you look over there, that is our friendly elephant Bertha. She smelled really bad this year, so, well, Instead of showering her with gifts, we thought the gift of showers would be a little more appropriate and, well, a good gift for the rest of us. Yeah. Speaking of showers, Squirt over here loves to shower the guests, but it's cold season and he's feeling a little stuffed up, so we're gonna go right on by and hope for... Oh no, get down everyone, get down! Get down! I'm kidding. Yeah, that's called dry humor. You're welcome. Anyways, folks, we're now going to continue on, and now I'm going to name a few of my favorite plants for you. If you look up in the trees on either side, you're going to see what we call a hibiscus. Down there, that's a lobiscus. That one covered in bark, that's a dogbiscus. And oh, way back there, you can't really see it, that's none of your biscuits. Yeah. Now over here on your left-hand side is our head salesman of the jungle, Trader Samta. Lately, his sales have been shrinking, so he's a pretty cutthroat deal for you. 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. Any way you slice it or dice it, you come out ahead. Yeah, any takers? No? Okay, don't get the heads on that holiday shopping. Now, we are coming upon the most dangerous part of our journey. It's the return to civilization. As we make our return, you're going to remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch those children. Yes, folks, I've had a wonderful time with you guys today. If you enjoyed your cruise today, my name is Skipper Brody, with a Y. And, well, if you did not enjoy your cruise today, my name is Skipper Brody, with a Y. Are you still on my boat? Get out. I'm sorry, where's my holiday spirit? Make like Santa and leave my presents. Yes, folks, if you would stand up for me, you can have to wait in this boat and watch your head assembly and use that handrail. I had a wonderful time with you guys today, and please don't cross over the middle seats. Crossing over the haunted mansion thinking that's Halloween. Yeah, now, I tried to tell you guys a New Year's joke. I am so sorry. I dropped the ball on that one. Anyway, if you guys have a wonderful night out there, I enjoyed having you guys. Okay, later.
I kept pushing you.
So that was the Christmas version of the Jungle Cruise. They had all sorts of Christmas humor. So that's fun to see because every other time of year when you go, they have different sorts of jungle jokes.
Why are you holding my hand?
I'm trying to keep you from running into people. Now you have stairs.
Ah.